Hygger 6-in-1 cleaning toolkit helps to keep tank neat and clean without getting hands wet. Made to last long time and makes cleaning the tank a breeze. Aquarium cleaning toolkit includes a telescoping handle, 1 gravel rake, 1 metal blade, 1 flat sponge cleaner, 1 right-angle sponge, 1 tube brush and 1 fishnet. For replacement sponges. Stainless steel scraper attachment for cleaning tough stuff, tube brush for cleaning pipe, gravel rake for raking and cleaning gravel, flat sponge for substrate and glass cleaning, right-angle sponge fits into hard-to-reach corners for complete cleaning. Telescopic handle. Premium carbon fiber composite construction, it can be extends from 19.7 inch to 35.4 inch, which is long enough to clean up to 2.65 feet depth tank. Threads together with extension tightly no flexing, it can keeps water from go into pole. Designed with spring closure, attachments will sit tightly on rod firmly and securely. Ideal for cleaning home aquarium. Top reviews from the United States. Why didn't I get this earlier? Seems very sturdy. My previous experience with these types of long-armed scrapers left much to be desired, so I had resorted to using an algae scrub pad in my hand. I really did not think this would be sturdy, but I figured I could always return it if I wasn't satisfied. This thing came an hour ago, and I have already painlessly cleaned the glass, including the corners of both my 75 and 45-gallon tanks. I feel like this set will last a long time, and I like that the parts are replaceable, springs, etc. I will update my review if anything ends up breaking, etc.